You're gonna get your first real food. Yeah. Are you excited? Hmm? Are you excited, cutie pie?
I am cutie pie.
Here it comes. Look at there. Whoa. I bet you don't know what to do with that mouth. Oh, a little taste. Is it good? Do you put formula in it?
No, just water.
Dad.
He's slamming
You want
my...
some?
Okay, let's see his face. First taste, first food. Boy, you have a peach fuzz forehead. You can see it in the light. Yeah, you do. What's up?
The other one is in the other one because that was
That one is in the... Here we go. Open up.
Tape, we need more tape. Dad, why do you want to get a big pack?
Get good, cutie.
Oh,
Yeah, you're eating food now.
Why do you want a big pack?
Just because
Rice cereal followed by a hand.
Yeah, that's what he... I think his hand tastes better at this point in life. Here you go. Oh no! Oh no!
Not on the nose.
Oh no! Look at that face. Oh, I wonder who it could be. Glory days. Yeah, I need to get this off because he is just leaking. How did you get it on your nose?
Ew, that's gross.
What? This here, you used to eat this stuff.
Me?
Oh yeah.
I don't like that stuff now.
There we
Because
go.
I'm not eating because I'm
Gotcha.
Wait, it's in the mouth? Yeah. Gotcha.
Oh. Oh. There's a little tart taste to it. It's pizza.
Mom, I can use markers now.
No, not right now.
You should get him a bottle. You did it! That was your first full spoon.
But
Are you eating num nums?
I just don't want to do it because...
Are you eating num nums, Christian?
Oh boy. Look at this. 2 in a row? Are you a professional?
2 in a row. 2 in a row. 2 in a row. 2 in a row. 2 in a row.
I said num nums. Is it num nums? Yeah. You like that? Oh.
No, he doesn't. Oh, snuck some more back in. Oh, snuck some more back in. Oh, snuck some more back in. It's a game. It's a game. It's a game. It's a game. And he's winning. Alright, now I don't want to